All right, okay. Let's do problem or example number 4 for this review. This is problem 10.3 from the textbook, and I want to find V naught in the circuit. This is actually quite similar to a homework problem we had. So the first thing we want to do is convert this sucker to phasors. Convert to phasors. All right, and so I have 1/12 of a farad, which converts to, knowing that omega is equal to 4. 1/12 of a farad is equal to negative j over 4 times 1/12, which should equal to negative j3 ohms. I have a 2 Henry inductor, which converts to j omega L, which is equal to J4 times 2 is equal to J8 ohms. 16 sine of 4t converts to 16 angle minus 90 degrees, which is also equal to negative J16. And 2 cosine of 4t converts to 2 angle 0 degrees, or just 2. All right, and this is volts and this is amps. All right, so let's redraw the phasor form circuit just to help us. And what I'm going to point out is that the voltage here is all V naught, right? Which means that it's also the voltage in this part. So this is kind of useful to us to know. So let's redraw this. All right, so this voltage source is minus J16. This is 4. This is minus J3. This is a resistor, which is 1 ohm. And to avoid confusion, what I'm doing is drawing this in a particular way. All right, so this is 2 amps, and this is J8, and this is 6. Okay, and what I'm going to do is use KCL, and I can point out that this current's coming in, this one's going out, this one's coming in, this one's going out, because what I'm going to do is assign that be ground and make our typical type of assumption we would with nodal analysis. So if we use KCL, we have minus J16. And by the way, what we're looking for is V naught, which is here. All right, so minus J16 minus V naught divided by 4 minus J3 plus 2 amps that comes in minus V naught minus 0 over 1 minus V naught minus 0 over 6 plus J8 is equal to 0. Okay, and what I can do is pull all the V naught stuff to one side and keep all the things that have nothing to do with V naught on the other side. So I get minus J16 over 4 minus J3 plus 2 is equal to V naught times 1 plus 1 over 4 minus J3 plus 1 over 6 plus J8. All right, so I get V naught is equal to 3.92 minus J2.56 divided by 1.22 plus J0.04. which is equal to 4.682 angle negative 53.15 degrees divided by 1.221 angle 1.88 degrees. Okay, which is equal to 3.835 angle negative 35.02 degrees volts. Okay, so this is our phasor answer, and many of you would stop at this point, but I asked you for V naught in the time domain circuit, so I said find V naught of t. So we need to convert to time domain, which is V naught of t is equal to 3.835 cosine of 4t minus 35.02 degrees volts.